Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to switch your payroll direct deposit to Chime so you can get paid fast. So let's go. Open the Chime app and follow the step. First, click on Settings, Gear icon, and scroll to Account Information. Now there you will see your Chime routing number and account number. Write this down or tap Share to copy and send them exactly. Now, go to your employer's payroll department like HR system or payroll app. Choose the option to update your direct deposit info. Just paste your Chime's routing and accounts number and then select Chime as a primary or main deposit account. Make sure to save your changes, and it's usually takes 1 to 2 pay cycles for the change to fully take effect. Chime will notify you the moment your first direct deposit hit, and it could come up to 2 days early compared to traditional bank. Now here's another way. You can select Move and then go to like Set up direct deposit, and here you find this Find Employer. Just click on that. And now all you have to do is search for a company or your payroll provider and follow the instruction to log in and connect Chime to your employer. So in that way, no need to manually enter routing or account number. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.